We're literally only 1 week into 2021, and so far it's been super crazy. We've had like these super crazy riots at the Capitol Hill with the White House and President Trump, and the stock market is going super crazy. Everything is going up. It seems like we're in a big bubble. Not sure if that's gonna happen or not. Then you have the whole pandemic still going on with the COVID vaccines, the new COVID vaccines going on, and people thinking that there's like little robots inside the vaccines. And I don't know, it's been super long, but everything in the stock market is going well, and I'm super excited to see how 2021 unfolds. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but for me, money has always been a big issue in my life. And it's something that I've always been trying to solve and something that I'm always trying to learn more about. So for 2021, I'm gonna take the stride to actually learn everything there is to learn about personal finances and how to make a business. I didn't want to be greedy and keep all this information to myself, and I wanted to bring you guys with me. So in this video, I want to share what are the top 5 channels that I'm going to be looking at in 2021 for personal finances and businesses. Okay, so number 1, MeetKevin. MeetKevin is a super bright, happy personality, and he's just super entertaining, and he's super knowledgeable, and he has millions and millions and millions of dollars, and he's not afraid to show you how much money he has and really put everything into perspective and show you the returns on his investments. Basically, you want to go to Kevin for stimulus updates checks, what's going on in the economy in the world, what's going on with politics, what's going on with real estate, and what's going on in the stock market. He's kind of a jack of all trades, but he really gives you a lot of insight, really good insight. The second one that I would highly recommend, really recommend, Dave Lee on investing. This guy is amazing. He's very philosophical with what he says and how he thinks, and he kind of tries to force his viewers to think deeper and think for themselves and create their own thoughts and ideas. All right, so number 3 is probably one of my favorites too. I know I already said that I have another favorite, but Andrei, Jikh. And the reason why I like him so much is because he's so entertaining. His intros are super crazy, and I'll probably play one right here so you guys can kind of see what it's like.
Grain of salt. But there's a lot of exciting stuff I want to share with you in this video, so let's get to the bottom of this and meet our contenders.
In the blue corner, we have the Challenger, created and launched in 2014 by Vitalik Buterin. We have a market cap of $122 billion with a daily volume of $40 billion. We have the smartest programmable money in the world, Ether.
He kind of shows you like what are the traditional investment forms like 401k, dividends, investing in ETFs, mutual funds. And he kind of explains all this and shows you how it works, and he really does a good job of explaining these topics. And he also just did a really good video on Bitcoin versus Ethereum and what cryptocurrency is as a whole. Okay, so number 4 is solving the money problem. This guy I really like. His name is, what's his name? Stephan Mark Ryan, and he's just super catchy. If you watched any of his videos, he's always like, if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And then he basically just roasts like all of Wall Street analysts because they've been super wrong on Tesla, and I'm a super big fan of Tesla and investing in Tesla. So I watch his channel because he kind of commentates over all the events that is going on with Tesla every single day. Number 5 is again another Tesla related channel, and this channel is called Tesla Daily, and basically you have your host Rob Maurer, and he's super analytical. He's a little monotonous in the way he talks, but he's super informational, and he always knows everything that's going on within Tesla. And he has a lot of good insight, and he's a very analytical person. So these are all people that just kept going and never gave up. So I think this is really inspiring and super exciting to see how everything unfolds, how your life unfolds. And I hope that you guys can join me on this journey and start investing and start taking personal finances seriously if you're not already. I bet most of you guys already are. And yeah, that was pretty much all for me. If you did like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. What are your goals for 2021 in terms of finances and businesses? I would love to know. And yeah, that was pretty much all for me. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.